In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new demo account on Exness. If you're new to trading or want a safe place to test strategies, a demo account is perfect. It mirrors real market conditions but uses virtual funds so you can practice without risking your money. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll add tips along the way to help you set it up right the first time. Start by opening your browser and going to the Exness personal area. Once you're signed in, head to the My Account section. Here, switch to the demo view so you're only working with practice accounts. This helps you avoid accidentally choosing a real account. Next, find and click Open Account. You'll be asked to choose the type of account you want. Pick the one that matches how you plan to trade, such as a standard or a more advanced option. If you're just starting out, a simpler account type is usually easier to manage. When you've decided, click Continue. Before moving on, make sure the account mode is set to demo. This is important. Selecting demo confirms you're creating a practice account and not a live one. Now choose the currency for your demo account. Pick the currency you understand best and plan to use long term since it affects how your balance and profits are displayed. Select your execution type based on your preference. If you're unsure, the default option is typically suitable for most users while you learn the platform. Set your starting balance. Choose an amount that reflects what you might realistically fund in a live account. That way, your practice results will feel more relevant and help build good habits. Give your demo account a nickname. This makes it easier to identify if you create multiple accounts for different strategies or platforms. Choose your leverage. Higher leverage increases both potential gains and risk. For practice, a moderate setting is a smart choice while you learn how margin impacts trades. Pick the trading platform you want to use with this account. Select the platform you're most comfortable with or the one you plan to use when you go live. Create a strong password for this demo account. Use a unique, hard-to-guess combination and store it securely. Finally, click Create Account. Your new demo account is ready to go. You can now explore the platform, place test orders, and refine your strategy with zero risk. Take your time, track your progress, and when you're confident, you'll be better prepared for live trading.